Many automations need to react to your team's actions, not just customer activity. This update lets you move contacts immediately to the goal step, skipping intermediate workflow actions as soon as your team responds. Let's learn how it works and how it needs to be configured. Easily remove or pause contacts from advancing in your workflow if your team has failed to respond, ensuring they don't feel misdirected. When configuring your action, you can include all or specific response channels by checking the box next to them to limit valid responses. This goal type allows you to specify the user who must have responded to the contact, supporting responses from any, assigned, or specific users. Let's go over how to configure the user replied option in your goal step. Add a goal action to your workflow. Select user replied as your goal type. First, select the response channel. Then pick the user type you want to include, and if selecting specific users, select the team members you want to include. By using this new condition, you can prevent contacts from receiving unnecessary automated messages, reduce duplicate communication, and seamlessly transition from automation to human-led conversations. We hope you enjoy it.